welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can really build your audience on Facebook super fast and with real numbers and stats in front of you. So you're not running with assumptions, okay, this is working, this is not working, but real numbers in front of you. So my name is Paras. I live in Vancouver, Canada. We help high-ticket affiliates and coaches to scale their business to $20,000 a month with no sales call, with no strategy sessions, free strategy session, free webinars, and all that stuff, and sell their high-ticket offers. So let's get started. When I started 2 years ago to add some contest, we used to post stuff, post content. I mean, I'm posting every single day basically for last 1.5 years, and right back then we had to use the assumptions. Okay, this is working, this is not working, put more of these. But now the tools we have, I'm going to show you exactly how to use them, and you can use this strategy to really hone in on your audience. So let's get started. First thing you need to do in your profile, if everything is set up already, if you want, we have more videos. You can go back and I can leave a link to the videos in the too, and you can go back how to structure this thing. Now I'm going to show you how you can focus on the audience that will really matter for your business. This is, if you have an audience, you can monetize this, you can make money, you can help people, you can have the biggest impact. If you don't have an audience, even if the best coach in the world, it's going to be really hard. So that's why this is really key for the business. And I know you really want it fast. So let's get started. First thing you really need to do is go on these 3 dots and you need to click on turn on professional mode. When that is done, you have some new options come in. You have some new details come in. Even if your stories will get different insight, like how many people are doing this, every single stat you have in front of you. Now I'm going to go to the real deal. That's we get clients from every single thing. So first is you can go here, new tools. Now every single thing is in front of me. As a professional, working on a Facebook, I have every single thing in front of me. I can have a look what posts are doing good, what posts I shouldn't do, what posts are getting the engagement down. So for example, just in front of you, a post I posted about on the Mother's Day, 951 post rates, 196 engagements. This early bird offer. So my workshop, 211 post reach, 20 engagements. Little low. Now struggling to read is even this post was business too, but this guy still got reach 194 post reach and 134 engagement. So you know what posts are doing, and you can do more of that, and you can have a lot more look. Where are you attracting people from? You can switch if you don't like that. I will show you some amazing things that we use for our business that can really, we can really understand what's going on, and we can see in last 20 days how many followers reach, how many post engagement we got in total. So see more and all the things. So see this, we have a workshop that we just did reels. We can do in the reels too, how many post reach it got, client wins, post reach it got. Now see this, one people liking this, so I can have more of these now. Simple. I don't have to think, okay, this I should do this kind of. I need more client wins that people got attracted to. Post reach 100, 1400, 310 engagement, more than any of these. Easy to understand. Now you have something in place that okay, this is what I need to focus on, client results. Simple as that. People like that, you get more clients because of that. You can go on and on and on. Really simple. And let's go back to this, your profile, and you have everything in place. How many people link. So this basically means how many people click to see your group and stuff like that, right? Okay, now this is really good. Now age and gender. So see this, a lot of people would say I'm a guy, I will attract guys, but see this, I have lot of coaches or affiliates that are women too. They're like, I'm a man, but it's like I coach I coach basically men and women, right? So I can see what kind of post is more required, things like that. And I can see what kind of more paper. So see this, majority of people are from India because I'm from India. That's totally fine. 193 here, 153 from United States, and that's what we really want. So imagine something happens in your profile if you focusing more people in Nigeria or Pakistan. Right now these are really low numbers, right? But this is what we want. This is what we want. And I can see every single thing. Canada 37. This is really crucial, guys, because if we have these numbers in place, you can really, but see this, because in India, I'm from India, but high ticket to sell your high ticket offer is going to be really, really hard for you. But in people in the United States, it's going to be a bit easy because of the per capita income, things like that. You need to keep things in these kind of things in mind too. Then, people Bangladesh, Philippines, Canada, this is what we want more. I live in Canada. Canada, the industry is still growing, so that's fine. United Kingdom, people are still watching, that's good. But this is a good number. This might be because of my family. My family lives in India. A lot of people, from India, my friends and that kind of follow me. But this should be always here. So this is really crucial, guys. And then okay, so what's going to do with this information? Now you know that a lot of people in the United States watching. You can make fresh content directly engaging them. You can show some stats of USA. You can, if people are watching, you can show some stats of USA. You can show some wealth that if you're in fitness, you can show some stats of fitness in USA. Simple as that. And you can do a whole lot with this tool. Now, see this. Now I have options too. I can see my top performance. Okay. People like a secure, guaranteed hack to achieve anything live. I went from a lifetime security guard. What this really means, people like story post more. And now I can have the details. I can produce more. I can produce more content like this. Simple as that. I will do this, how to promote, because I haven't done it. I can do promote in different video. So I'm going to have a look at that as well. So see this. You can have your audience. You know everything now. What kind of people are attracting more? What kind of people are, following you? So you have a better clarity. So imagine, you don't know, you are making content, things like, but imagine 70% women follow you. What kind of content you want to make then? Doesn't make sense. So, simple as that, guys. Hope this brings you a lot of clarity. I use this tool now on daily basis to really understand, okay, what kind of profile is getting, how many people are following, what kind of unfollowing me, things like that. I can see on daily basis too. And have a lot of other options too. Guys, this is the most important, because if you have this in place, you know what kind of proposal. So imagine this, if I don't know, like this post is not doing that good, what I need to do, I need to produce this post less than I need to produce this post more. Therefore, attract more audience towards me and build my audience really, really fast. Instead, if you're posting this is getting reach too, but it's really low. But if you post these kind of content more, simple as that. And this is what you need. Okay, this post got 1095, simple as that. Okay, this got 1424. So, okay, this we don't need to produce something like this. It's really simple thing if you go for start. And imagine you are producing more of the stuff that people are liking. Your audience is building. One is a follower, then one is the audience, that people who follow you along the journey. We want that kind of people. It's not just a random people following us, but audience. With this, they know what you do. With this, how can you help them? With this, they're getting nurtured. With this, they are entering your ecosystem. With this, you're watching a YouTube video. With this, they are joining your communities. Hope this brings you a lot of clarity. If you want to have more better clarity in detailed trainings, how you can scale your business to $20,000 a month with no sales call, no sales session, feel free to join this community. We'll love to have you in. We have a lot of amazing community members, entrepreneurs, things like that. And is grading 483 583 members right now, or outrate 600. 600 member is going to get a free coaching call with me and a free book, my favorite book, so they can use that for their own growth. Hope this brings a lot of clarity. If you like this video, please like and subscribe so more people can watch this, more people can build their businesses, more high-ticket affiliates and coaches can save their business to $20,000 a month. Wish you a great day. Bye-bye.